This is a video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called SilentAnonymous. SilentAnonymous is a ransomware that may attack Windows computers these days. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this SilentAnonymous ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And so very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. The ransomware encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is just not possible to use the data. The ransomware appends this SilentAttak extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background, and finally it reveals this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Now, I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. There is no guarantee that your files would be restored if you pay the ransom, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching your system. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So after the antivirus database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the files, even though this feature does not decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to remove this ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files. And you can always upgrade to premium and even request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.